Honorable Senators, order, order. If you're standing, you'll be counted with this side. Order. Order. Pardon? Order, order, honorable senators. Senator Boni. Now, before I allow the clerk to count, I'm giving you a second either to stand or to sit because you're going to proceed to count. Order, Senator Ledama. Senator Ledama, you stand and keep quiet. You're not conducting a no. So, that's defeated. Now, honorable senators, the clerk has proceeded to count the senators standing. You are 14, and therefore is defeated. Thank you. Matthew had been. Clerk, proceed to call the next order, please. We go to this, sir.